Can you change the stream or the output on your CO2 effects equipment? Or can you change the stream or the plume or the smoke cloud on your CO2 special effects? The answer is yes. We have other videos that kind of touch on this subject as well. This video just zeroes in the information specifically on that. We did do another video if you're looking for sound. However, don't jump off the video yet because you came here for this. That video, link in the description or on our channel, that's where you can find it. So yes, the question is we can change the stream. What are the factors that go into the different types of streams? Some streams you have a far throw and you have longer and shorter. Other ones you have, longer and shorter. Wait a minute, that doesn't make sense. Okay, so two options: longer, shorter, thinner, wider. Some of the holes can be covered. They don't have to be covered. Let's see, what else can you do? We can also have noise dampening, non-noise dampening. You can also reflect that nozzle off of something so that if you want a different stream over here, you want it dumbed down, it reflects off. There's a lot of different options, but what do those options mean? Typically this: you have temperature and humidity, ultimately, okay? High and low of both. You can have 4 different types of environments and anything in between. High temperature, high humidity, high temperature, low humidity, low temperature, high humidity, low temperature, low humidity. Typically low temperatures, you're gonna have higher humidity. Typically higher temperatures, you're gonna have less humidity. Florida is an exception, San Diego, an exception. Why does this matter, Chris? What's going on? It matters because of this. Higher temperatures with lower humidity, you want covered holes because you don't want a lot of air getting through there because there's not much humidity in the air, and CO2, liquid CO2 reacts off the humidity molecules in the air. So covered holes, no holes is what you ideally want in those environments, okay? High temperature, low humidity, generally high temperatures. Lower temperatures and high humidity, you're going to want open holes because that way you get a farther throw. If you close the holes, generally what we've seen, you get a less of a throw, okay? Because not as much air is going through. Some of it, believe it or not, may end up converting into dry ice. You don't want that because you don't want that falling on your patrons. So that's in general. Again, this is all subject to change. It's not that it's incorrect information, but this is generally what we've seen when we've surveyed the market. We've done a lot of projects, we've done a lot of installs, we have a lot of feedback, and we've tested this. So I'm bringing you this information from 12, 13 plus years of the making of this video of us doing this. So we know, and I can present that to you here. If you have questions on the different type of nozzle and you want a certain type of nozzle, contact us. We'll be glad to talk to you. Contact us in the description below, or the comments below. More links in the description, or reach out CryoFX.com. Thank you for watching and appreciate your attention.